while we were being chased by the Chinese Coast Guard 3104, ay nagkaroon ng insidente ang pagitan ng China Coast Guard at ng PLA Navy Warship 164. Sila mismo ang nagbanggaan at dahil dito na damage yung unahang parte ng barko ng China Coast Guard. And on our part, we even extended our intention to support man overboard and even provide medical attention.
04, this is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Teresa Magbanwa, MRRV 9701. We have medical personnel on board. Should you need any assistance, we are willing to provide assistance. Over.
Itong incident na to, I hope it would already convince the Chinese government, to adhere to the collision regulation. Ilang beses na nating sinasabi ito na if we're going to carry out dangerous maneuvers at sea, eventually it will lead to a maritime incident or sea mishap. And this is what happened here.